Hello everyone, it is Peter Solomosi, photographer, along with
Avery Solomosi, photographer.
Holy cow, we've got two of us now. So today we're going to talk about using our cameras for what?
Videos.
Videos? These things do video?
Yeah, this one. This one.
That one does this one do video?
I
What's that button?
don't know. Video button.
They both do video.
Use
So, awesome that cameras nowadays well, I don't know if all of them do, but most cameras do video. So, we might as well do it because it seems like most people like video content. So, how do we use the camera to do video? What's the main thing we gotta do?
You gotta turn it on.
Turn it on.
With the on and off button.
Okay.
And then you press this record button.
Press the record button. What does that look like?
It looks like some gray and it has a red dot in the
Red
middle.
dot. Alright.
So if you press it, it starts it, and then you can press it again and
Okay.
it stops.
So let's take a quick look at this camera. I'm just going to zoom this in so you guys can see this. Up here, there's a button with a red dot. Hopefully it's in focus. Right there. That is the record button. And if we look on this SLR, actually I should have called this a mirrorless camera because this isn't an SLR. Also, red button to help record.
And know
stop.
the difference between the picture and the record.
Right. So our shutter button is this big one that's up here on the top. Your shutter button is that big one that's on the top. A little bit more to the left, on the left side of the camera.
There.
And the record button is actually on the back. This one's on the top, and it's got a red dot in the middle. So that's how we record. Just as with our regular camera stuff, we want to hold the camera with one hand on his little camera. He's got his wrist strap on the one side, and with these cameras with the interchangeable lenses, the other hand goes underneath.
Like this.
Good hold. That helps prevent shake.
You can do this.
Exactly. You can pan and tilt, and that helps prevent that shake.
And you can also go like this.
And you can go vertically. Although when we're doing video, we always keep the video which way?
This way.
This way, because when we see the TVs, screens are all sideways like this. Alright, so that's a landscape version. Okay, so today's lesson basically was about using our cameras that we used to take pictures with, that all we ever did was take pictures with, and do what? Take video. So, use your camera to take a video, post that video, actually post the link to that video that you take with your camera
in the description.
in the description.
Or a comment.
Or a comment.
Yeah.
Do any of those things. Probably in the comments, not the description.
Yeah.
Anyway, you know what to do. Post it, show us what you did, and yeah, happy shooting and happy videoing. Till next time.
Bye.
Bye.